Got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind.
I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to create another Valentine's makeup look, but the classic version. Gold eye makeup look and red lip. And I'm gonna use mainly this Urban Decay, the OG Urban Decay Naked Palette. First I will moisturize. I'm using again my rose water. I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. As I said, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked Palette. The first color will be the shade Book. I'm taking a little bit of concealer just to cut the crease. Now my base is sticky enough to apply the shimmer. And I'm going in with the shade Half Baked, which is the beautiful gold shade. And go over the beautiful gold. And blend. Let's brighten up the under eye area. For my waterline, I'm using the Rimmel London waterproof eye pencil. These are the House of Lashes Iconic. Now let's finish all the face makeup. I'm using the Marc Jacobs Fantastic Bronzer. Let's apply some blush. I'm using the MAC Melba blush. We need some highlighter. Becca Cosmetic Jaclyn Hue Champion Pop. Let's apply some lip. I'm using the Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Holy Grail. Blush, I'm using this Sleek Makeup palette.
Spending time like it was gold.